We got our patient, Angry Melon. How you doing, buddy?
I've been better.
Yeah? Okay. You got a bump on the noggin, but this isn't the first one you had, right?
Not the first.
Not the first. You had several cut off. You had one that was kind of draining when you came in. It was red and irritated. We put you on some antibiotics and you gave it a little squeeze or two at home and pretty much got rid of most of it, but it'll come back later. We're going to deal with it at another time when there's something to take out. Right now, though, we've got this fella here we're going to take care of for you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you're okay if we do this, if we record this video and share it with our buddies on YouTube?
Yes.
All right. What are they? Are you tired? Did you just get off work or something?
No, but I'm tired, definitely.
You're definitely tired. Burning the candle on both ends, up the middle, around the side.
Mm-hmm.
All that. It's old Red Fox line from Sanford and Son.
That's my favorite show.
It's a great show.
Yes.
Who was your favorite character? Don't say Esther. You liked Esther? Esther was great.
A mess.
A mess.
I was always kind of partial. I always liked Julio.
I like him too.
Julio was great.
Julio came
Remember
in
Julio?
at the goat.
Julio was Lamont's buddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
The son's buddy. I think I'm gonna do this standing up, Gumby Jean. I need you to stand by because Angry Melon could be a bleeder.
Okay.
And you know the scalp is highly vascularized. We got some medicine we're about to inject you with. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Gumby Jean's gonna spray the cold spray on you. And then I'm gonna give you an injection and you're gonna feel what, Gumby Jean?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
That's it. Stick, sting, and a burn. Oh yeah. We do have a visitor in the gallery today. I don't think she wants to be identified though.
I hadn't given her a nickname.
You're not gonna pass out, are you?
Mm-mm.
All right,
I'm
good.
good.
I mean, it's okay if you do. We just want to know to get out of the way.
Oh no, I'm good.
You heard
That's
him?
wrong.
Yeah.
I heard you. No, I'm good. I don't have a nickname yet though.
Well, you haven't been around that long.
I know.
It has been some kind of hot though. Angry Melon, you work outside?
This weekend, yeah.
You're a better man than me. I had some things planned to do outside. They all got mysteriously canceled.
Mine too.
I have to mow my granny's yard.
Did you really? You were cutting grass?
Right.
I'm gonna ride lawnmower.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm not pushing.
Did you have earphones on and all that?
Nope.
All right. So we're gonna dissect this out. We're gonna get the cyst and everything for you, the whole sack, the whole shebang. We don't think this one's gonna come back. Some people just make these, Mr. Melon. You're one of them, aren't you?
I believe so.
Yeah. Some say it's diet related. I don't think so, although there's always a possibility diet could be a contributing factor. I guess we're ready for the scalpel. Oh, Gumby Jean got us a fresh. Hey, you get a new scalpel today.
Much better.
It's Monday, so that's good. All right. Yeah, it's been warm, so 15 blade here. You should not feel anything but some pressure. You know, you're a veteran. You've done this before. So obviously that which just came out was simply some of the anesthetic I injected, right? Did you feel anything there, or did you
No,
just feel the
didn't feel
pressure?
anything.
Just the pressure? Nothing?
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Well, definitely a little cyst right there, playing peekaboo. This is a pilar cyst. A pilar just means hair, right? This is a hair follicle cyst. It's a pretty one, Gumby Jean.
Let's see.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Look at him in there, smiling right at me. Saying, get me if you can. I think this cyst wants to be gotten though. Gumby Jean, you had a special weekend.
I did.
You did. You want to tell us?
About my
You want
new
to
baby?
share about your new baby?
I got a new puppy. Well, my first puppy. He's a boxer. This month he makes 9 weeks, and he is a little rascal.
I saw some video of him. Hey, if you give me that video, I'll put it on the video.
Okay.
Your video, I'll see to it that just that little clip of the one with the bed sheet. I thought
Okay.
that was really cute.
Yes, I
Is
go
it a new one?
home. I go home on break, to take him out and let him eat. Just so he'll know that I'm at home and he don't feel alone all day.
Alone by himself.
I called myself barricading I took the cage and pushed it up to the bathroom door and left the door open to the cage so he can go out into the restroom and then back into the cage. I get home, this little rascal is like chilling on my bed.
I told you it was a mistake.
Over the cage.
I told you it was a mistake to let him get into bed. As soon as they do that, they think that's where they
He's
belong.
home in the bed.
Feel any pain, my friend?
No,
Okay. You'll let me know if you do, though, right?
most likely.
Most likely. We're going to squeeze some of the stuff out of here. Well, or the whole thing's just going to jump out, one or the other. What do you think of that?
That's cool.
Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
I guess there won't be much doubt that we got the sack on this one.
Oh man.
It just jumped out.
Came out.
Well, you said a neat one.
Yeah. Yeah, there's
There it
all the
was.
sack right there, right behind it.
Wow.
That's cool.
You didn't have to dig very much.
No, we just had to give him a little bit of incentive to come out.
It's like a
You know
eyeball.
what? Everybody always
Say
says
like an eyeball.
it does kind of like with the optic nerve attack. Everybody always says no. All right, Gummy Gene, I'm going to hand that over to you, and we're going to need just a little flush. Thank you. Actually, before I flush, let me have those hemostats back real quick. I just want to take a quick peek around, make sure there's not any residual sac. Right here would be good to take a quick look in there and make sure there's not. See, now this could be a little scar tissue. This could be a little residual sac right there. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's good to take that out. Yeah, I think that's sac. Let me get you to hold that for me. I'm gonna drop it. Thank you. Since I'm standing up doing this. You know, I actually prefer to stand to do these instead of sit. I feel like when I'm sitting, I'm hunched over, but when I'm standing, I have a real good view. Calm down. It's not that exciting.
It's more sack. It means it was good.
Well, and you know, that's been there a while. So the question is that sac or is that adherent scar material? And the answer is, unless we look at it under a microscope, you really can't tell the difference. So that's definitely scar right there. Yeah, I feel like we're good now. All right, little flush. Gummy Gene, if you'll be ready in case some kind of runs down.
Okay.
We don't want Angry Melon to get any angrier. Sounds like he's taking a nap.
What he said.
He said nap
Sleep
or fart.
Yeah, so I'm glad he chose to sleep.
Yeah, because grown man farts are pretty bad.
Are they?
Yeah, they fan.
Thank God we don't have cover.
Yeah.
You guys are,
No, the sour
We've been
ones.
tortured.
you're rough.
Yeah.
I'm ready for a suture. All right. So what'd you name the little doggy?
His name's Rocco.
And Rocco is what kind of dog?
He's a boxer.
Boxer. All right.
They're a cute little thing.
Do you have a forceps? Thank you. He is cute.
Mm-hmm.
Actually,
Right.
I'd go as far as to say he's adorable.
He's pretty adorable.
He is adorable. He's not riding.
I think he knows it.
Yeah,
He
I think
right.
he knows it.
Mm-hmm.
Because he's been getting away with stuff only because he's cute.
And 9 weeks
Yeah,
and
he's
Nice
little
weeks,
and all
yeah.
that.
yeah, you know what happens after you get a puppy though.
They get big.
Stay real still for me. I'm going to remove this. And Gumby Gene's going to dress that for you. You did real well, Angry Melon.
Thanks.
I appreciate you sharing your experience with all our friends on YouTube. We'll see you soon.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
So tell us about Meta 7, dude.
So Meta 7 is probably one of the most comprehensive energy formulas I've come across in the open market today. And this comes from someone who drank 1-2 energy drinks a day just to stay awake. You have to have your coffee in the morning, then your energy drink halfway through the day just to get by. Meta 7 really eliminated the need. One from a
High five. That was me too.
It eliminated the need for my morning coffee. I'd wake up, I'd take Meta 7, and in about 30 minutes, I'd feel as if I had drinking a cup of coffee without the jitters.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.
So I guess he's trying to pull all the cover off the bed. Look at him. I can only imagine what he gonna be doing when he get a big dog. He gonna be running stuff. Look at him. Rocco. Rocco. See? Rocco. Nothing.